now. Yes. Well. Into Adelaide. Passed the other day when it came on a down the world promotional tour.
Welcome to Sydney, everyone. For your own safety, you're required to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Remember to take care when opening the overhead lockers. Items sometimes move during the flight and they could fall on you or someone else. Once you have removed your baggage from the overhead lockers, please assist us by leaving the lockers open. If you're transferring to a domestic flight within Australia, please clear your baggage through customs and check in at the domestic transfer desk outside customs. If you're transferring to a Qantas flight numbered 1 to 399, you will need to remain in transit and check in at the international transfer desk in Pier B. For those of you transferring to another international flight today, please stop at the Interline transfer desk inside the terminal. We've really enjoyed having you on board with us today. From all of the team, thank you for choosing to fly with Air New Zealand on the Star Alliance network. We would also like to acknowledge Thai Airways and United, our co-chair partners on this sector. Take care, have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.